Hello, this is Mrs. Mensler, and I am recording 11. Question number 1. Nullification is the act of declaring a law void. During the nullification crisis of the 1930s, the state deemed unconstitutional. What risk is nullification to the nation? The risk to the country was risk to the country was union, risk to the country was people were the risk to the country other or Question number 2, you're given the box here. You need to choose the box, answer the question, best description, and actually learn among. Box A, power getting government, or an increased nationalism. Or is it box B, the increased power of the branch? Is it common man in government, or is it nationalism? Or box C, an increased power of the executive branch, participation of the upper class or wealthy in government, and a decreased nationalism. Question number 3. What was the Indian Removal Act legislation that permitted the Cherokee to Georgia and legislation that removed the land located the legislation that removed the land or was it legislation that Question number 4. Which statement best explains the concept of manifesto? The other and the belief that state control what will happen the certainty settlers for the trust political solution. For question number 5, act trail with the purpose for trail options are Oregon number 1, Santa Fe trail for number 2, Mormon for number 3. Which trail to begin a religious community? Which trail was leading to fertile farmland? The new North Territory. Which trail for trade in the south, west, and 6. Which issue caused the annexation of Texas to become hotly debated among Americans? Was it slavery, economic opportunity, immigration, or freedom of religion? Question number 7. What action started the Mexican-American War in 1846? Was it President Polk ordered U.S. troops to invade Mexico and capture Veracruz and Mexico City? Was it Sam Houston refused to return Mexican land in Texas that had been turned over by Santa Anna? Was it President Polk tricked General Santa Anna into bringing troops across the U.S. border and provoked them into a fight in California? Or was it U.S. troops occupied disputed territory between Mexico and U.S., resulting in an attack by Mexican forces? Question number 8. What were the terms of the 1848 Treaty of Guadalupe Hidalgo that ended the Mexican-American War? Was it Mexico and the United States agreed to form joint patrols along the Rio Grande? Is it the United States demanded a permanent military presence in Mexico? Was it the United States agreed to cede territory along the 49th parallel to Mexico? Or the United States received California, New Mexico, and other land in exchange for $15 million? Question number 9. Which of the following was not a problem in most U.S. cities in the 19th century? Unemployment, disease, crime, or fire? This concludes your Week 11 quiz recording. Don't forget to submit your quiz when you're done. If you have any questions regarding this quiz, reach out to your U.S. history teacher. Good luck!